Registration is now open for Pizza Expo and the Artisan Bakery Expo, scheduled for March 4 through 7, 2019 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. You can experience both Pizza Expo as well as the Artisan Bakery Expo for the first time together. 200 Artisan Bakery exhibitors and 500 pizzeria exhibitors will be on hand, ready to provide solutions and opportunities for both artisan industries. Get ready for 3 days of learning, tasting, and building relationships. There will be seminars, competitions, networking events, supplier demonstrations. Educate yourself with seminars, speakers, demonstrations, and more. Keynotes by Chris Bianco, world-famous pizza master, and Sammy Mandel of Greenville Avenue Pizza Company. Events include the largest U.S. pizza making competition, pizza menu demonstrations by leaders in the pizza and artisan bakery making industry. Don't miss the Beer and Bull session, as well as the World Pizza Games. That's Pizza Expo as well as the Artisan Bakery Expo at the Las Vegas Convention Center, March 4 through 7, 2019. For more information, go to pizzaexpo.com.